welcome to my channel. I am Priyanka and you're watching Miss Priyanka YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to share this makeup look with you guys, and the best part about this look is that it is inspired from one of our Deepika Padukone's Instagram makeup look. And this makeup is all about very soft classic eye makeup paired with bold classic red lips, and which I absolutely love. And I'm also wearing the dress that is matching to Deepika Padukone's outfit, and lot more things you will get to know in this video. If you are interested to know how to create the look and what are the products used in this video, then guys please keep on watching. And also, before we start this video, please subscribe to my channel, because I like to come up with lot more celebrity inspired makeup look, and I always try my best to create the look within the budget, the products that you can easily find not only in your vanity but anywhere you can purchase them. So guys, stay tuned, do subscribe to my channel, and now let's get started with the makeup tutorial. Okay guys, so to start the look, I already wore my jewelries, and this is the neck piece that is matching with Deepika Padukone, and also the hoop earrings. So guys, if you want to create any kind of celebrity inspired makeup look, or if you of course you guys are here to learn something from this video. So very first thing that I would say, that the products that I am going to use in this video, it's not necessary that you should use the similar product to create the look. Main thing is the concept about the shades that I am going to use. So now let's get started. So right now I have already applied my lip balm, and next I will apply moisturizer. So I'm going to apply Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer, because the moisturizer has this liquidy texture in it, which I really like. And I'm going to apply it on my face like so. I will also apply some on my neck and whatever is left on my hands. So guys, the moisturizer is on, and next step is primer. For primer, I'm going to wear Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer, which is my favorite. Again, I like this primer, the way it feels on the skin. It feels so smooth. The texture of the primer is, again, you can see the pink tint under it, because we're going to go and we are trying to achieve a very nice, healthy, pinkish and youthful skin. So for that, I am trying to use the products which has already some pink tint in it. I will also apply some on my eyelid, and it will work as eyeshadow primer. So that's how I like to put it, and just massage it into my skin. So guys, next for the base, we will apply Pond's BB cream. I really want the look to be very simple, easy to create. At the same time, I want that youthfulness on my skin, and for that I think BB cream is perfect. So like that, I'm going to dot it. Firstly, I like to dab it with my fingers. We already applied the primer, so this primer will help the BB cream to stay for longer time. And yes, you don't need to worry for anything. Now I'm going to blend the BB cream with the help of a foundation brush like so. So guys, this is how my face looks. It looks so glowy after using Pond's BB cream, and this is the right way you can also apply Pond's BB cream to create any of your party makeup look. And next I'm going to apply concealer to brighten up my face. I generally don't use concealer to hide my dark circles. I like to use it just to brighten up my face, and for that I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro HD concealer, and this is again one of the affordable concealer, and I'm in the shade Classic Ivory. So I like to wear the concealer only to the center part of my face, and just to brighten up my face like this. It has good coverage. So guys, can you see the difference? So So guys, next I will set my concealer with LA Girl Pro HD setting powder, which I recently purchased, and I purchased it for discount. Its actual price is 1000 rupees for 5 gram products, but I purchased it from Flipkart for 470 rupees, I guess, on flat 50% discount. So I will just take my beauty blender and slightly do a touch up once again so that there is no harsh lines. I also apply to the lid. So guys, next I will set my entire face with the same setting powder. Next one. So friends, my base is done and it will take around 20 to 30 minutes in order to set and melt into my skin. Meanwhile, we will be doing the eye makeup, which is very easy and simple. So guys, eye makeup, I will start with a transition shade, and this is the eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna wear this pink shade right here. It's like a nudish pink color. Just define the crease of my eyes like this. It will just add a nice depth to my eyes. Like this, I'm gonna do. I'll take some eyeshadow to my lower lash line and I will blend it like so. So that's all. We are done with the shade number 1, and I will a little bit make it deepen the same shade, and for that I'm gonna take one shade deeper, this brown color, and I will apply the same shade on my crease to just darken it up a little bit. So can you just see the difference? I'm yet to blend, but you can see what I meant. I'll take the same eyeshadow to my lower lash line, whatever is left in my brush. Next, I'm gonna wear the main eyeshadow, which is the main part of the look. And Deepika, she is wearing a very nice neutral pink color on her eyelid, which has some bronzy and some satiny finish in it. So for that, we're gonna use our Maybelline Nudes palette, and this is the Blush Nude palette by Maybelline. So I'm gonna apply firstly this shade right here all over my eyelid, and over that I'm gonna apply the pink color eyeshadow. So guys, eyeshadow number 1 is done, and next I'm going to take all these 3 nude pink colors. I'm going to mix all of these 3 and apply it on my eyelid over the eyeshadow that I have placed before. I'm just trying to achieve as similar like Deepika Padukone's. So this is the pink I can see. One more time, I'm going to take this brown shade and I will define the outer V of my eyelid. Slightly I will apply only to the outer V like this, and I will blend all the eyeshadows together. So guys, now then the eyeshadow is nicely blended, let's move on and apply some brown kajal. And Deepika, she is not wearing any kajals. Only if you see the picture, in the picture it seems that she is wearing a nice smudged liner, which is in the brown shade. So we're gonna do the same thing. I want to outline my upper eyelid. I'm just smudging that brown on my eyelid. I'm trying to create that brown smudged eyeliner just like Deepika, and So guys, can you see the brown eyelashes, like lower lash line and upper lash line? So I'm trying to achieve the similar thing. And you don't need to keep the eye makeup too dark. We need to keep it very simple, very soft, so that it looks classy and natural. So yes, that's how I like to do my eye makeup. And so Deepika has very nice, natural and full eyebrows, which I really like. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows now. I'm just trying to fill my eyebrows with brown color. So for Deepika, if you see, she's wearing very beautiful bright red lips, looks really classic. And her lip liner, if you see, it's deeper than her lipstick shade. So we're going to do the same thing, and I'm going to create a very nice, well-defined, bold red lip color. So this is similar to what Deepika is wearing. And for my eyes, I'm just gonna finish the look with some mascara, and I'm gonna wear Lash Sensational Mascara by Maybelline. Okay, so I'm done with the mascara, and next I'm gonna add a little bit bronzing to my face. I still feel my face looks a little bit brighter. Now I'm gonna take this brush and I will slightly bronze my face from the sides. Also on my jawline. It will slightly add a dimension to my face, and my face won't look too flat or bright. So this step is optional. So guys, I'm done with the bronzing part, as you can see here, and it will take some time to melt into my skin. And next, the final step is to add blush. I'm going to wear my NYX lipstick on my cheeks, and this is a creamy lipstick, and I'm going to apply it on my cheeks to add that flush of pink color, which looks really natural. Because this has a creamy texture, it also highlights my face, the cream and the shiny part in it. Can you see the glow? So you don't need to add highlighter to this look. Slightly on my nose, around my chin. So guys, this is the final look of Deepika Padukone inspired makeup, and this is how the makeup turned out and looks on me, and this is the final look. I hope you all like watching the makeup tutorial, and this is the look that you can easily carry for day to night time, because the lipstick is bold but it's bright. And yes, that's all for this video guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching it. I hope you might have learned something from this video and find it useful. If yes, then please subscribe to my channels and also follow me on my Instagram, so that we all can stay connected all the time. And girls, this is your channel, so always feel free to comment down below in the comment section whatever suggestion you have, whatever you want to share with me, or your ideas. Yes, that's all for this video. See you guys soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.